To automatically move emails to folders in Outlook, here's what you need to do. Just locate the email you'd like to do that to, right click on it, and then here you'll see roles. Then of course you can click on create role. Then right here you can say when I get email with the selected condition. So you're basically setting a condition in order for it to be automatic. If we say from Google, this means that it will do something to messages from Google each time they drop. So of course you have from Google sent to this account. And of course, if you want the subject to contain a specific message, then you can decide to move it. Then of course we have this and then do the following. So if it fulfills this criteria, do the following. Move the item to, so we're going to click on the checkbox. And of course we could move it to notes, and then you have some advanced options if you'd like to use that. But if that's fine, if you'd like to move every email from Google that is sent to this email address, then move the item to notes. If you click on OK, that will move those emails to that folder. Click on it, and then it will say the rule Google has been created. So this is how to automatically move emails to folders in Outlook.